Hello everybody, Min here. Welcome back to Euros Fitness. Today we're going over the single arm banded circles. This is very similar to the regular banded arm circles that we've done before, but this time we are isolating a single arm or particularly a shoulder so we can address maybe some certain imbalances. For example, some people may have stiffer shoulders on one side compared to the other, maybe sometimes even a weakness. When you do the one arm version, you can kind of get a good feel for which arm you struggle with. So for me, for example, my right shoulder is a lot easier to move around than my left. That's because I've had quite a few injuries on my left side. So when I'm training my left end, I want to start here first. And I'm going to see what type of motion I have. And I'm going to feel out what's tight and what's stiff. Afterwards, I can maybe see if I need to do more exercises to help with those tightnesses, maybe some strengthening exercises to help with the muscles that are very unstable in my shoulder. But this is just a really good way to get the same benefits of the arm circles, all right, getting us out of that really stiff posture we're in all day, but just isolating it on one side and addressing those imbalances. Thank you all so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.